Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what came in my October Boxycharm box. And not only am I going to be showing you guys what came in the box, I'm going to show you how I created this look with the products that are inside of the box. So if you're interested in how I did create this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here's my October Boxycharm box, and I'm just going to read you guys real quick and show you what all I did get in this month's box, and then after I do this, I'm just going to jump right on into the tutorial and actually use the products and show you guys how they apply. Okay, so this month's theme is Alter Ego, and this box is $21, so real quick I'm just going to tell you guys the price of each thing and what it retails for, and I can already tell you that it is well over $21. So I'm already getting my money's worth. Alright, so the first thing that I see on the list is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and this retails for $24. So the first thing that I have so far already is over $21, so I'm already getting my money's worth on this month's box. Alright, and the second thing that I got was the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels, which sounds interesting, and these retail for $10. So we are at $34 so far. Alright, and the next thing that I got was the Pure The Complexion Authority The Midnight Masquerade Palette, and this is a 10-piece face palette, and this retails for $38. So here we are again, well over the $21 mark. Alright, so the next thing that I got is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I love Kat Von D liquid lipstick, but I'm really upset with the color that I got. Like, I'm really upset. Let me show you guys. It's in the shade Crucifix, and it's just a shade that I never see myself wearing. It's like literally like a matte dark chocolate brown shade. So I'm really bummed out because I was really excited because I saw that these were coming in this month's box, but I'm really upset with the shade that they picked for me, but it's okay. It's alright. And this retails for $20. Alright, and last but not least, I have this Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask, and I do not know how to pronounce the name of the brand on it, so I'm just going to show you guys, but this retails for $16, so this month's box was definitely my money's worth. Alright, so now that I told you guys what's all in this month's box, let's just go ahead and use them all and see how they apply. But the disclaimer is I'm not going to be using these two products on camera because I can't really create a makeup look with them, but I will use them, and I will leave down in the description below my review on them and how I do feel about them and let you know if it's worth a buy or not. I'm going to jump in with this Pure palette and start on the eyes. Alright, so this is what that palette looks like. It comes with 6 eyeshadow shades and 3 blushes and 1 highlighting shade. So as you could see, there isn't a lot of shades to choose from in this eyeshadow palette, so I am going to pick up another palette really fast to use as like my transition shade and other shades, because I'm not sure that I can create a cute look just using these 6 eyeshadows, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to be using my Morphe 35N palette, and I'm just going to pick up this orangey shade right here and put this all in the crease of my eye for a transition shade. Alright, so now that I have that transition shade all over my crease area, I'm going to go in and pick up the shade Sneak Peek that came out of my palette and apply that in the crease right over that, but I'm going to keep this really low and not bring it up as high as I did that transition shade. So now that I put that in my crease, I'm going to go back with that same brush I put the transition shade on with no extra product, and then just blend those colors in together. And so far, I really like this eyeshadow palette. That brown color was really pigmented and very blendable, so I'm liking this palette so far. Alright, so now that I have that Sneak Peek shade all in my crease, I'm going to go back with this Morphe palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here and just go over my crease with this and kind of put it in between those two shades and warm it up a little bit. Alright, so next I'm going to pick up a flat packing brush and pick up the shade Disguise right here, which is a purple shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the base of my eye. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but there is a lot of fallout of this eyeshadow under my eye, and I probably should have put some translucent powder under my eye while I did this, but eyeshadow is really pigmented and pretty, and it's going on smoothly, so that's a good thing. Alright, so now that I have that purple shade packed all over my eyelid, I'm going to go back in with that palette with that shade Sneak Peek again with a flat definer brush, and I'm going to apply this into my lower lash line. Alright, so next I'm going to pick up this palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Twilight, which is a highlighter shade over here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner as well. Ooh, this is really pretty and pigmented. I really like this palette. Alright, so now that I'm completed with all my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, and I'm going to line my waterline. Alright, so now I'm going to take some liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to line the tops of my eyes with that. So now that I have my eyeliner applied, I'm going to go in with that It Cosmetics mascara and see what she's about. So that is what the spoolie looks like, and I'm really digging it. I'm excited to try it out and see how I feel about it. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys really quick what this mascara did. So this is without, and obviously this is with, but I love the difference that it made in my lashes. I'm really impressed with this mascara. Alright, so I am done with my mascara, and I really am living for this mascara. Like, this mascara is bomb, and I'm really happy with it, and this did retail for $24, so I for sure got my money's worth because I will be using this mascara a lot more in the future. So alright, so next I'm gonna add some blush to my cheeks, and I'm going back in with that Pure palette, and I'm going to be going in with these two shades right here and mixing them and applying that to the apples of my cheek. And whoa, this stuff is very pigmented. I think I got way too much on my brush, so I'm looking a little clownish right now, so let me pick up a different brush. Alright, I'm gonna pick up this other blush brush with no extra product and just like blend the crap out of this because that was way too pigmented. Holy crap. Alright, so there's no fixing this blush. I'm gonna be rocking the clown look, but I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side because why not? And I'm just gonna add a lot, because I want it to look the same as the other side, but dang. I'm literally looking like a clown right now, so I'm going to pick up some powder out of my Kat Von D palette and add that right here to kind of like calm that blush down a little bit, because the clown look is not, it's not a cute look for me. So that looks a lot better now that I kind of like toned it down a lot. But now I'm going to go in with this highlighter shade and apply that to my cheekbones. And oh my god. Oh my god, I'm digging this palette, honestly, because these colors in this palette are like pigmented as crap. Like, oh my gosh. Alright, so this palette is bomb. I love the eyeshadows and I love the blush and the highlight in it, even though the blush is way more pigmented than I thought it was going to be, but that's my fault. I shouldn't have just gone in so heavy-handed and done that. But besides that, I really like the shade of that blush and this highlight. I'm impressed. Alright, so lastly, I'm going to go in with that Kat Von D liquid lipstick that I hate, but I'm still going to try it on anyways, just for this video's purpose. And I'm just going to apply that. Alright, so this is what that lipstick looks like, and I absolutely hate it. I will probably never be using this again unless it's like for Halloween or something and I just need like some very dark lipstick, but I'm not feeling it. But overall, the formula of this liquid lipstick is awesome, and if you've never tried it before, I do recommend trying it out, but in a prettier shade. But yeah. Alright, so since I do hate this lipstick, I'm going to try to add another color on top of it to see if I can like kind of work with it and kind of make it cute. And I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Melted Peony shade, and I'm going to apply that in the center of my lips. And then I'm just going to take my finger Alright, so mixing that shade on top of it honestly did nothing for me. This color is still hideous and I will never be using it again. Alright you guys, so that concludes it for this October's unboxing of my Boxycharm box and trying it on for you guys. And overall, I would say this box is a 4 out of a 5, and I would only say that because of this stupid lipstick they decided to give me. I'm still a little salty about it. I'm confused on why they thought I needed a brown lipstick in my life, but besides that, everything else was pretty great. I mean, I haven't used the eye mask yet or the leave-in conditioner mask, but I'm sure those things are awesome as well. But this palette is very awesome, and I will be using the blush and the highlight out of it again. And this mascara is probably going to be added to my everyday makeup routine. But overall, I did enjoy this box and I really did like it, and I'm really excited to see what I'm going to be getting in November. And if you want to see my upcoming videos and my November unboxing, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on so that you are notified the next time my video goes live. And if you like this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!